Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I'm going to be sharing a little bit about these underbed storage bins. These are absolutely incredible. I got them put together within probably 30 minutes at a really relaxed pace. The instruction guide for how to put these together is really simple to follow. There's only 6 steps to get these ready for use, so it's a super quick process. Now I have these in the color black, but they do have some other color options so you can match your decor, you can match your bed frame or wherever you're going to store these, and they're going to blend into your space that much more easily and more seamlessly. So these have a very large capacity. I used one of these for seasonal bedding and like heated blankets, and I was able to fit a multitude of items in here. You can slightly overfill this because there's a little extra space with how large the lid cover is, and it's nice and clear so you can see everything inside with just a quick glance. And then the second one, I was able to store away some board games and card games that we really don't pick out that often, but we like to have easy access to when we want to use them. It does have a little label pocket on one of the sides, so you can easily label that, and when it's under the bed, you can quickly read the label and know what you have inside. Each one has 2 handles, one on each side. These are very sturdy, nice and durable. They have a complete metal frame, and then it's just the outer cover that is a fabric, and then of course the clear plastic top. And these do sit on 4 rolling casters, 2 of which can be locked, so if you don't want to worry about it wiggling around, you can lock those. But those wheels are going to make it incredibly easy to pull out. It's going to make it nice and mobile, so if you do need to move it around, or if just when you're going to get something out, it makes it super simple to get to what you need. Plus, these are incredibly space saving. It's not often that we use the space underneath our bed, or if we do, it's in a very messy and unorganized way, something that we can't really access that easily. So these make that space very usable and functional, whereas normally it's not. If you guys were looking for a convenient way to store away items that you want quick and easy access to, but maybe you don't use that often, and you want to have them tucked away somewhere that's otherwise not very user-friendly, these are such an awesome choice. You guys have got to give these a try.